Hi, first graders, Mr. Aggo and
Mrs. Walker.
and we're back with some more Haggerty. So this week is starting off with rhyming again. So you guys actually get to make up a rhyming word. So on the top of that page it says the rhyme, and parents, you will say that. So I'd say at, and Mrs. Walker gets to come up with some words.
Cat.
Yep,
Cat.
or cat, any of those. And then the next one, ack.
Black. Sack.
Awesome. So that is rhyming this week. Next up is our onset fluency. So we have 3 words, and you will say the 2 that have the same beginning sound. Kitten, kindness, meeting.
Kitten. Kindness.
Yep, both started with k. Next up, I am going to chop the sounds apart, and the student is going to blend them together. So, g,
Hug.
hug. Id,
Lid.
lid. Next up, we're going to isolate the middle sound. So in the word bat, the middle sound is?
Ah.
In the word hid, the middle sound?
Yeah.
All CVC words this week. Now it's your turn to chop. So cute.
You.
Awesome, cute. Next up, we're going to add the initial sound. So this one we're going to use our hands. So we have the rhyme or that ending part of the word, and we're going to add the beginning sound. So ak,
Ock.
add
Rock.
each,
Each.
add
Peach.
peach. Now we do the exact opposite. We're going to delete. So sat,
Sat.
without s,
At.
at. Moat,
Moat.
without
Oat.
oat. And then the last one on that 3rd page is substituting or changing that initial sound. This one's my favorite to do. So mash,
Mash.
change to g,
Gash.
gash. Goat,
Goat.
change g to
Coat.
coat. All right, first graders, have fun with that, and happy